I always keep a couple pieces of chalk in my silverware drawer, and honestly, you should too. Let me show you why. I started noticing that humidity was slowly ruining my silverware. No matter how often I washed and dried it, my forks, knives, and spoons kept losing their shine. Dark spots showed up, and some even started to rust. I love when my kitchen looks clean and put together, and I want my guests to see sparkling silverware, so I knew I had to find a simple fix. That's when I discovered this super easy trick using regular chalk. Now, I just place 2 or 3 pieces of chalk inside the drawer, usually in the corners or along the sides. Sometimes I wrap them loosely in a paper towel so they don't rub directly against the utensils. Chalk naturally absorbs moisture from the air, so it helps keep the drawer dry. Less humidity means less oxidation, slower rust, and silverware that stays shiny way longer. Since I started doing this, my silverware stays brighter, cleaner, and free from those dull stains that used to show up so fast. Every few weeks, I swap out the chalk for fresh pieces, especially during humid months. Save this little trick. Your silverware will stay clean, shiny, and rust-free.